Hello! Ito na po yung Valentine's gift ni Daddy sa akin. Nakaka-proud naman, oy. Salamat, honey. Thank you so much. I really love this kind of orchids. So now, nana po yung sister ako mga orchids. So I have 3 orchids and now they got sibling now, 4 na sila, o di ba? Tapos siya na po yung mga reject dati na mga nagbay ko lang sa sa store, reject na siya. Tapos look at that one, they really bloom it. Nag-sale sila ba kasi look like died na. So ayan na po. Thank you, Han. He knows that I don't have that kind of flower color. So ito na po every morning my daily routine. I always talk to the flower and then, ganyan-ganyanin ko lang sila mga my guys. Parang nag-taking care ako sa aking family, taking care ako sa aking, daughter and my husband. That's the way I taking care my flower. So, di ba? Oh my goodness. Daddy.
I'm gonna put my face in the water, and you can see what I look like while I'm
My
underwater.
goodness, nana po siya yung flower. O, diba? I love this kind of flower. Thank you so much, my honey. So, tapos, andyan na po yung isa. Yan po yung binigay sa akin ng mother-in-law ko. I really taking care of that. Thank you, Han. Binilhan ako ni Daddy. Daddy, buy me another pot. So, tingnan nyo po yung mga reject na flower. O, diba? Nagbo-bloom talaga sila. Even though naalang sila sa inside the house. Thank you so much. I really love my flower. Oh my goodness. Oh, nakaka-proud talaga pag maano ka ng mga flowers. Mabuhian ka ba si? O, diba? Thank you so much for watching.